We are staying on the second level of the Occidental. There's my hubby. Second floor. I'm grateful your bracelets are actually okay. Into the room. The room is very nice and cool when you walk in. I think they originally gave us a first floor. They said, is there any second floor rooms available? And they checked and got us one. Bed looks comfy. After a long flight. Second floor has a nice little patio. We're overlooking, it looks like big hot tub style pool over there. Nice and plush. Okay, back inside. He brought us a couple of margaritas as we were checking in at the royal level. Here's our little fridge. And in the fridge has one Bud, one Modelo, water, 7-Up, orange squirt Pepsi, all the sodas that you want, some cacahuate, some Mexican candy, only 2 beers. So, coffee pot. Well, that's nice. Okay, my first time seeing the bathroom. Bathrobes, irons, safe. Those are your beach towels in here. That's what they told us. Umbrella. Here's your shower. The rain shower too. Very nice. And then the sink, one sink. Here's the tub over here. And then the toilet right there. A little bit of a privacy glass. It's a scale in here. Not a huge bathroom, but it's a decent sized bathroom. Room, really nice, clean, and nice and cool.